Good morning. Hi, Facebook. What is up, friends? Welcome to Jewels by Natalie. My name is Natalie Rosie, and I've got the cutest and most affordable $8 fashion from Paparazzi Accessories. If you see this live in the corner, it means you're watching me right now. I'm here every single day at 7 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 9 Eastern. All right, friends, we are here live super early. You can hear it in my voice that I am still barely waking up. But we are here, my friends, so welcome on in. Make sure to catch the replay if you are interested in any of this gorgeous jewelry. I'm going to be showing you guys some Fashion Fix pre-orders. So y'all get to get in on all these awesome pieces today. They're going to drop on August 5th at midnight Eastern time, which means that these guys will be available to order more of as of next week on Wednesday morning. Now, it's going to be midnight Eastern time. I'm in Mountain Time because I'm in Denver, Colorado, local to Denver. So it'll drop at 10 p.m. my time, but it'll be midnight Eastern time next Wednesday at midnight. So if you guys want these pieces, go ahead and comment the number to claim it. I'm literally just showing these pieces. I'm going to try to show them in less than 10 minutes, okay? But if you are new shopping with me, welcome in. Go ahead and comment hashtag new. There will be a link that's sent to you either via the actual video itself in a link in the comment section. There will be a link that pops up. You can click that, copy and paste it, or there will be a link that's sent to your messenger via Facebook, and you can get in, it'll be an actual link that gets sent to you. You can just tap that and get registered to shop. You can also follow me on all my social media channels by commenting hashtag shop. You can register. You can shop my Denver warehouse. You can shop my Utah warehouse. You can shop my my VIP group. You can get in on my text alerts, which I'll send this out afterwards for a text alert link for the replay. And I also have a new VIP chat. So that is where all exclusive information is going to be sent to you via that app, that chat room. Okay, friends. So everything I'm showing today is $8. If you would like any of these pieces, just comment the number to claim it. Shipping is $6.55 flat rate up to $100, and then it's free shipping all across the U.S. Every 10 pieces you order, you get one for free. Now, the pieces that I'm going to show you right now, they are available right now today to order. I will not be invoicing or shipping them out until after August 5th, okay? However, I will still be able to show them to you and I can get them into your bin. I just will not be able to ship them out until after the 5th, just so I can have a chance to show them to everybody else, okay? So our first set, now I don't have all my numbers organized again, but I'm going to show you guys just numbers based on what I have over here, which is really, really easy to show you. It's just going to be out of order a little bit. So we're going to start with number 10, what is it? What do I have right here? 106 will be first, I think. We're going to do 106. So 106 will be our first set. So that's going to be this set right here. All right. So comment 106 for this set. Okay. Now, if you are new or if you haven't shopped with me before, just comment hashtag new. Okay, friends. So 106 earrings. These are going to be your pearls. They're going to be very, very heavy earrings as well. They are not light at all. You're going to have the little flower on the top in a post back, a pearl with white rhinestones, and then the large pearl at the bottom. These are very, very beautiful earrings. I love these. These are going to be, like I said, number 106 earrings. Okay, 106 earrings. I'm going to use my bust over here, and I'm actually going to get my other pieces off of here and show you it over here on my bust. Okay, so 106 earrings. And then the necklace, this set is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, then you're going to have 106 necklace. You're going to have the pearl earrings. You can already see the pearls coming all the way down. It's a really long necklace. You do have the accent to match. It's so good. And then the pearls down at the bottom. It's a very long necklace. You can double wrap this and turn it into a shorter one, which makes it extra fun. Okay, love that about it. Like I said, I will be posting the replay up on to text alerts and in the VIP group, okay? I'm just doing a quick speed sale, so I'm not even looking at the comments, just so you know, okay? So this set is going to be number 106 set, 106 necklace, 106 earrings, or 106 set. This is a $16 set. It will be available on August 5th at midnight Eastern time if you would like to get multiples. This set on hand has not been claimed. I will 100% guarantee that if you order this set right now, you will get this set. But if you want to order two or more sets, I will have to pre-order. I will have to order them, and that is not guaranteed. Okay, I usually get them, but sometimes I don't. So 106 set if you would like this full set, okay? Such a cutie patootie set. Very, very elegant, very sophisticated. Easy to dress up and down, of course, because it's got pearls. You can dress that baby up or down. She's so easy, okay? So that's going to be set number 106. Let me get out our next set, my friends. Like I said, we're going to go through 5 sets this morning, just the quick 5. I want to make sure I show these to you every single day. I haven't been able to be live, and I'm so sorry. But we're here right now. It's early. We're going to do it. 107 set. This set is so freaking cute. I love this. It's a gold set. You're going to have the gold pearl earrings. This will have your nice thicker chain. So if you wanted to make this shorter, you absolutely could. Look at how cute those colors are on the bottom. I cannot wait to show you this whole thing. It is so colorful. It is so perfect for fall. It is like the most adorable thing I've ever seen. Super cute for teacher gifts. Okay, because I know that school's coming up. Some people, I've got some teacher friends. Some teachers are getting ready to go back to school next week. Can you believe it? I went back to school when I was younger. I went back to school at the end of August. People are going back to school at the beginning of August. It's kind of crazy. So you get June and July off. My friends, look at this turquoise and the pearls. The orange in there is absolutely stunning. I'm just in love with this. This is so pretty. Then you're going to have the bracelet to match. It's going to have the lobster claw on one side. You're going to have some cotton right here. It feels very soft like rope. Okay. Super cute. I'm going to show it to you a little bit better. Okay, now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to slide it because you can slide this down. So when I showed it last time, I thought that that was where it was, but it's not. So the lobster claw goes up here, and then you're going to have the same exact little beads in here. Cute, cute, cute. Loving all the pearls in different shapes. You're going to have the teal in there, almost like a seafoam green. Absolutely adorable. So this is going to be set number 107. Okay, look at how gorgeous that is together. That nice little rope, and then you're going to have all the little charms coming down here. It's beautiful. Okay, 107 for the very colorful set. Love 107. $16 for this set. $8 a piece. Really cute for those fall fashion photo shoots, especially senior photos that might be coming up. Okay, if you're taking pictures for your picture time for school. Okay, school pictures will probably be coming up in September. So these will be really great options for that as well. Okay, friends, love these. And it'll match with any of the colors that you want to put in there. So if you wanted to wear any of these colors like blacks, whites, creams, okay, browns, tans, okay. If you wanted prints, but just make sure that they're not too heavy because the prints might make it a little bit too busy. Love that about that set. So beautiful. This next one's going to be your turquoise. Let me see if I can find another number here. Here we go. All my numbers are literally like sprawled out. 108 will be our next set. This will be set number 3. Okay, so we'll have our third set, not set number 3, but set number 108. These are going to be heavier earrings. They're turquoise crackled stones. You're going to have kind of like a little bow tie accent with a little rhinestone in there. Love these. They are so big. They are not light. They are gorgeous, okay? Love these so much. Comment 108 earrings if you want those. $8. Love those. Okay, again, those are going to be number 108. Just comment the number to claim it, my friends. Comment that number to claim it, okay? These will be available on August 5th at midnight Eastern time. Love the turquoise crackled stone earrings. Super thick chain. You can make this shorter, okay? It does have a lobster claw and an extension. You can easily make that shorter, okay? You can make it longer as well. Look at the necklace to match. That is so freaking cute. Has the same little accents in between. Nice little stones around it. You could make this into more of a choker necklace. You can also extend it, make it a little longer. This set's going to be another $16 set. This is going to be set number 108. If you would like the set, just comment #new if you are new shopping with me. If you would like to shop my Denver warehouse, which is my in-home boutique, or my Utah warehouse, just comment #shop. That will get you in on all the good stuff, okay? Feel free to shop literally everything, okay? Just comment it right in the comments. And it might not happen right away. It might take at least 24 hours potentially, or just like a few minutes. But if you comment those words, that the link will show up. It will either be replied to you or it will pop up in a message in your messenger. Okay, just FYI. Okay, let's go ahead and do our next pieces. We've got number 109, my friends. We've got 2 more sets to show. This is my 4th set. Here's the earrings. Cute little bow tie. They kind of remind me of bow tie pasta. So cute. I love these. These are nice, super lightweight gold post earrings. They're super dainty. Very, very cute. So fun for Christmas. You can dress those up and down. And then check out the necklace. White rhinestone earrings on those earrings. You're going to have a cute, simpler chain with some little nodules on the top layer. Middle layer will have little charms and nodules. So you can see on the top there's going to be some nodules, and then the bottom will have more of little charms. And then at the very bottom, you're going to have your little bow tie pasta. So cute. I'm telling you, friends, that is so freaking cute. Super dainty, super fun. Love, love, love. Okay, this is absolutely adorable. Love, love, love. Okay, so this will be your set. This is going to be set number 109, my friends. I think that's on the right way. No, it's not. I knew it. I just knew it in my brain. I just knew it. Okay, 109 set, my friends. 109. $16 for the set. Comment 109 earrings, 109 necklace if you want either of these pieces. Okay, 109. Love, love, love. All of these sets are still available on hand, so if you want to get any of these, just comment the number. The first one is always 100% guaranteed to you because the display pieces that I show, those are guaranteed. After that, it is not guaranteed, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to try. Okay, so if you want multiples of any of these sets, please let me know. I will do my absolute darndest to get those pieces for you, okay? So let's say you've got a bridal shower coming up and you want to get a few sets for some of your your bridesmaids, okay? I got you. If you want to get those, that would be amazing, okay? All right, now I'm going to just pick a random number because I don't have any numbers that are in order. So, oh, maybe this is, nope, this isn't it. That's okay. I will find them though. Last set, my friends, 111. This is the last set I'm going to show this morning, and I'll be back later on today. I just wanted to pop on super fast. I haven't seen you guys in forever, so I'm back, okay? I'm trying to get back in here, okay? Trying to get back up on top, my friends. Trying to get back up on top. All right, so 111, my friends, 111 set. This will be your silver pearl, super thick chain, and it does come down to this absolutely gorgeous chunky necklace. You're going to have silver pearl and silver spacers with some black in there, and then you're going to have the rhinestone spacers right here at the bottom, if you can see those. Absolutely gorgeous, okay? Super cute. You could potentially turn that into a bracelet if you wanted to as well. So she's going to look like this, super chunky, very fun and big, okay? Now easy and very subtle as well, like not subtle, but what's the word? Neutral, right? Totally not the same word. It's fine. All right, then you're gonna have the silver. Now I do have one similar to this, but it's gold and silver, so it's a mix. This is going to be just the silver, okay? So you can open it a little bit. Okay, you can turn this into potentially a bracelet or an anklet. Bracelet is probably your best option just because I don't want you to break it, y'all. But just saying, it's super cute. Loving the edges. Got 3 sets. You're going to have a darker silver and then you're going to have the lighter silver. Okay, very, very beautiful on that set. I'm going to put this on here. Put the number on here so y'all can read it. Okay, so if you want this set, just comment 111 set, my friends. 111 set. Now, keep in mind, every 10 pieces you order, you get 1 for free on your next order. It's not going to happen on this one. But if you are new shopping with me and you order 10 pieces, you will be activating your reward. So next time you order your second order, you will get a reward on your next order. Okay, super, super fun. Love that about Paparazzi. They are so amazing like that, okay? Love this, my friends. Go ahead and comment number 111 set for this full set, okay? 111 set, $16 for this set. $6.55 shipping flat rate. Once you hit $100, it is free shipping all across the U.S. I'm so excited for these sets, my friends. They are going to drop, like I said, next week on Wednesday at midnight Eastern time, okay? Now, if you want this set that I'm wearing, this actually is a Z earring. Love these earrings. These are not lightweight earrings, but they do come with a Z necklace, okay? So if you order the earrings, you'll be getting a free necklace to go with it, right? So I'm just wearing the earrings today. They've got the roses and the little butterflies. I'm obsessed. These are also really, really heavy earrings, okay? Just a heads up. But they're so cute, and I love them for summer. I know it's not, July's not over. We're still going strong, okay, friends? So please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you guys out. Again, if you're new, just comment #new. If you'd like to shop all my other places or get involved with me on all my socials, comment #shop, my friends. Have a great rest of your day. Love y'all. I will be back later on today, and I'm going to send this replay out as a text alert and put it in the VIP chat. If you would like to get involved in any of those things, comment #shop, my friends. All of it's in my link tree, my friends. Have a great rest of your day. Love y'all. Happy Wednesday. And as always, my friends, stay fabulous. Bye, guys.